thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the July Rose War Panty Power Box, or some may call it RWPP. And the box is a little different this month, isn't it super cute? There's like flowers and stuff all over it. So if you don't know what this box is, it is a monthly period subscription, but it's not just all period stuff. So you do get organic period essentials, which I love that they're all organic, and you also get some like beauty, lifestyle items, some snacks, and what makes this box really stand out is that you get 2 pairs of panties every month as well. It costs $25.20. I will leave the link down below, and if there's any active promo codes, I will leave that in the description box as well. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get to the unboxing. I can't wait to see what's inside. I just realized I had my ring on like the wedding finger, but I think we all know here I'm not married. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So there's a card on top, and then everything is wrapped up in super cute tissue paper. I am saving that. Welcome to July box full of joy. What's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products, 15 total, valued at $7. 2 undies, they range from $8 to $25 each, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. So when you subscribe, you let them know your size, so they're not just like sending you some random underwear they'll fit you, you know. And I think you tell them a few other things about yourself, and then here are all the options for July, and they check off what they packed based on your preferences. Ooh. I'm opening this like before dinner time, and I see treats on top, so let's just start with the treats so you know that I'll be enjoying later. First thing first is the Choco hazelnut bars. I love chocolate and I love hazelnut. It kind of feels like they're like the longer like stick form, you know, probably like chocolate bars. Does it show them on here? Yeah, it probably is like a bar of chocolate like that filled with hazelnut. I don't know, but it sure sounds good. Awesome. And it doesn't list the treats on here. They're kind of like an extra. And then we have something that says fresh berry. I love that the treats they send are usually different. Like they seem like this one specifically seems like it could be from somewhere else. So you try things you haven't tried before. So fresh berry, it feels soft. Again, I don't want to open it, but sounds good. I will eat that later for sure. And then we have, I believe these are earrings by Princess Diary Co. The Fun and Sweet earrings. These have a retail value of $12. Let's get them out. These are definitely different than any earrings I have. That's funny. I think these will be good in a video. So one's an exclamation mark and one's a question mark. So they're like statement earrings. They're black and white. These are fun. I love getting things like different than what I normally would open. Should I try them on? Let's put them on. Alright, so here are the earrings. I was trying to make sure I got them on right so the question mark is facing the right way. Is it? These are definitely different and fun. I don't know if I would wear these like every day, but like I know there will be occasions or like in videos or something like that. Definitely stand out. But let's move on to the next items. Got like a little pack here. It looks like beauty stuff. Oh, I recognize one item. Let's start with that one. We have some skincare. This is by Dirty Lamb, and this is their Ultra Night Serum. It hydrates and protects. I've actually received this before in my Bella Skin box. Is that focusing? So I have this and I've used it and I really like it. It's called a serum, but it feels more like an oil. And I have both the day and the night version of this. I really like them both. It says on here, how it works, our high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep skin hydrated throughout the night. Wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender. So you just apply 2 to 3 drops before bed. So what I do, there's a little dropper in there. You just drop it in your hand, kind of warm it up, and just press it into your skin. And then you will wake up with like fresh glowing skin. I love using hydrating stuff like that at night because I really do see the difference when I wake up. So Yeah, it says keep the glow going in the morning with the Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum. And it says you can use it every night. It's natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and unisex, it says in here. I know they point that out because like some people just like to see like their sex name on there, like, but really skincare can be for anyone. Always just throwing it out there. So I will be putting this into my stash that I'm collecting for my 10K future giveaway. I think we're less than 400 away, so hopefully it's coming soon. So I love that I can give you guys something I've tried and that I like and I approve. So awesome. And I think this has a high retail value too. Let's see what it says. Yeah, this is $52. And since you only use a few drops at a time, this does go a long way. So yeah, I'm so excited I get to pass this on to one of you guys soon. Let's see what this other item is in this bag. Oh, it looks like it's a soap. It says handmade with love by Bubble Bee. Oh my God, I can smell it. It smells good. All organic soap ingredients. This is made with olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, castor oil, fragrance oil, honey colorants, and natural accents. Without looking, I'm trying to see what it smells like. It smells so good. What's in another bag? Oh, and look, it's shaped like there's a little bee on there and honeycombs. I hope you guys can see it. I don't want to take it out of the bag yet. Or maybe I will. I'll just take it out of the bag. I'll try and use this soon. But on here it says, actually I'm going to hold it up and read the back. Hi there, I'm Honeysuckle Bubble Bar of Soap. I may feel sticky or wet. This is my natural honey and glycerin, and it's a good thing. They attract moisture from the air and will do so on your skin too. This will keep your skin soft and moisturized all day. Helpful tip, after washing, store me in a cool, dry place, otherwise I'll get mushy. For more info, go to bubblebeesoapery.com. I hope you guys can see that. I don't want to open it yet just because I'm not sure. I have so much soap I just opened a fresh one seriously yesterday. Oh yeah, you can kind of see. Isn't that cute? It smells so good. It's only $5. I might have to check this brand out. Bubble Bee Soapery. Love this. Oh, looks like we have a few more little treats in here. This is Milkita Cappuccino Shake Candy. And then Hi Chew Strawberry. And then we have our period essentials. I'm so grateful. I just used up all of mine from last month. I feel like I've said this in way too many videos I've filmed today, but I just had my period. It's gone now. But I use these and I love them. So it's a mixture of regular and super, and they're all organic. I choose to only use organic period products because sometimes in certain ones they can have like chemicals and stuff, and please never use tampons with fragrance in it. It is not good for you. I know I say like avoid it for your skin, but like, you know, it's your choice to use it on your skin, but like your vagina is very absorbent and that's just dangerous. So that's why I choose to use organic and definitely not fragrant tampons. Sorry, just had to throw it out there because it crossed my mind. Gotta use my platform to spread female health, right? And then we have a variety of different absorbencies of pads all wrapped up in this cute ribbon. So I love that. Oh my gosh, they gave us extra this month. I'm so happy. So every month we usually just get 2 of these packets. They're called Eurovagenius. I love that brand's name, and they're down there wipes. And they're biodegradable, flushable. So they're just there to like help freshen up. You don't even need to use them during your period, but they're especially useful. So you can like keep this in your bag. So it says enjoy freshness at its Wait, I can't even read that far away. Enjoy freshness at its bestest, and please flush only 1 wipe at a time. Flushable per INDA guidelines. So yeah, this is just meant to like freshen up down there and stuff. Sometimes these are just good in the summer too if you're like out and about or in the pool. I don't know, I just really like these. And I love that they're biodegradable. So it looks like I received 4 in the rose water scent, and then another 3 of the Shea Cocoa. I love that they included more this month. Like I said, usually it's 2 and I use them every month. I think they're super useful. And looks like, oh, at first I was gonna say I think just the panties are left, but we have one more treat. And this says French pie. And again, this looks like it's from somewhere abroad. Yum. Now on to the panties. They're in this drawstring bag. Or how cute is the tissue they packed everything in? I try and repurpose everything I can, if not recycle, so this will definitely be repurposed. Love it. Along with this drawstring bag. Ooh, I love the color of this. It's like mauve. Ooh, we have like a sexy pair of underwear here. So it seems comfortable, stretchy in the front. So here's the front. Here, let me put my hand behind it so you can kind of tell. Oops, no, that was the back. They were together, so, okay, so I'm showing you the back right now with the tag. So it's nice and lacy. What a beautiful color this is. And then the front, oh, by the way, this is by French Affairs and has a retail value of $12. And the color, they call it apple butter. But look at the front. I love this. I love that they send panties. Like, you know, I've had my period for a lot of years now, and I still ruin underwear sometimes. And then once it's over, or whenever you want, even during it if you want, you have this like cute little sexy pair to put on. I love this, and it's different than other pairs I have too. Yay! And let's see what our last pair is. Looks like this is black. Ooh, I like these too. These are kind of like boy shorts, and they're black, and at the top there's some lace. Ooh, these seem really comfy. So these are by Umita Underwear. So yeah, even though these like have way more coverage than the other pair, you know, they seem very comfortable and still sexy and cute. I mean, I think you can wear any kind of underwear and still look dang good. But yeah, I love the variety that they send. I actually always love the underwear they send. It's always great. I think this box is so awesome. That was everything. I'm trying to think what my favorite is. I love both pair of panties. I'm so glad I'm restocked on my period products and a bunch of the Eurovagenius. Name gets me every time. Love that company. Great snacks. Oh, that skincare item, including a $52 serum. I think that's amazing, and I've tried it myself and I really like it. I love supporting like cruelty-free brands, and I'm big into skincare and makeup, so I love seeing Dirty Lamb in their box, and I can't wait to share it with one of you guys. Can't wait to eat these treats later, and that soap smells so good. I just love this box. I think it is great. Again, I'm going to leave the website down below, and I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you guys get this box? Well, thank you for unboxing it with me either way. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.